Hey there, are you ready to unlock the power of unlimited free email accounts? In this exciting guide, we will reveal the secrets to creating as many email addresses as you want, and all for free. So get ready to supercharge your digital communication. Okay, so now I am on my PC and here you need to search for Google Cloud's Skills Boost. Now here tap on the first link and it will take you to this page here and it will look like this. Now the first step is you need to join this. So click on join and here you need to log in with your Google account. So simply click on sign in with Google. Choose your Google account here. Now clear the captcha here and check this box, I am not a robot. And now just choose bicycles here and simply click on verify. And now go to I accept and now you are logged in to Google Cloud. Now the next step is here you see the option explore, click on it. It will take few seconds to reload, so let it reload. Okay, so now scroll down and here you see the option format, click on it. There will be two options, one is course and another one is lab. So we will go with the lab. Okay, so now scroll down and here you see the option a tour of cloud sustainability. So click on it. As you clicked, here you see the option start lab and the timer is 1 hour. That's mean the email that it generates will be valid for 1 hour. So if I click on start lab, it will give us a captcha. So check this box, I am not robot, and let's choose stairs here. And once you are done, click on verify and it will generate your email with password. So it will take few seconds and now as you see the timer is started. And here is the username of your email account, so you can copy from here. And now let's sign in to YouTube with the same email address. Okay, so I am here on YouTube and sign in required here. So let's sign in with the same email address. I already copied, so I just paste here. Now click on next and let's go back and copy the password here too. And now paste that password here and simply click on next. And now here simply click on I understand. And now you will sign in your YouTube account with the same email address. Let me show you. If I click here on the profile button and as you see the same email address. And now if you want more than 1 or 2 accounts, so what you can do is simply click on end lab. So this email will be expired. So let's click on submit here. And now what you can do is again click on start lab. So if I click on start lab, here you need to check this box, I am not robot, and let's choose this pictures that it asked for and then click on verify. So it will generate a new email address and password for you. And here it is. So in this way, you can create unlimited email accounts. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question or confusion, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorials. Bye!